to our room here at the Boardwalk Resort. We are staying in a studio with a boardwalk view. Let me show you the room. Right when you walk in, to your right, you have a mini kitchen. You have a microwave, toaster, coffee maker, plastic cups, plastic plates, paper towels. We have a refrigerator, a really big one too. And then to our left, we have our closet. We have an extra pillow, extra blanket. We have our safe, all of our luggage in there as well. There's me. Hey guys. Really nice, very modern and really basic, and sometimes basic is the way to go. Heading into the bathroom, the washroom. Nothing too fancy, but again, very nice. We don't have the soap dispensers. Instead, we have the little ready to go shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. To the bedroom. Nice queen size bed. We have a mirror over here. We have a couch, but it does turn into a pull-out bed. We have some carnival artwork here on the walls. Telephone. Our remote. It has been cleaned and disinfected. And I have received a few comments. You are allowed to take the remote out of the plastic bag. This just lets you know the remote has been cleaned. And coming back over here, you have some storage. USBs. Look at this massive TV. I think that has to be a 55 inch, maybe 60. But look at this. Today is Saturday, July 11th. Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom have reopened. Nice little dining area. This is where I will edit the videos. Well, Bianca just discovered something pretty awesome. We just pulled away the chairs. You wanna show them, babe? Yeah. These two buttons here, hit them. Look, oh my. We have another pull-out bed for your little ones. And it's Dumbo. Enhanced cleaning. Just let you know what Disney has done before you enter the room. And let me show you this view. We can also see a little bit of Spaceship Earth off in the distance. All right, here we are inside the main lobby here at the Boardwalk Resort. One of my favorite lobbies on property. I have always wanted to stay at this resort. You gotta love the theming here. We have hand sanitizer stations, health and safety reminders. And here's a look inside the main lobby. Very empty today. And if you have been following me along on my resort experiences, we know Disney wants you to check in online or on your My Disney Experience app. That way you can bypass the front desk, but they are still open with plexiglass barriers to protect yourself and the cast members. We have ground markers for social distancing. We have some COVID-19 warnings that you could expose yourself to COVID by being here. And if we look real close, we can see each castle from each Disney park from around the world. This resort is themed around a carnival. It is very well themed. More physical distancing reminders on the tables. And look at these chairs. A little creepy, but it definitely blends in with the overall theming of this resort. Here's some activities that will be taking place today. I'm really excited for Movie Under the Stars. We have a mini gift shop, but it is not currently open. They want you to visit the store on the boardwalk. Not sure when this will finally reopen. We have some penny press machines and also a fill rod station. And just to give you an idea how big the Boardwalk Resort is, it is a really nice size resort. Right before you enter the elevator, we have hand sanitizer. Disney has also added disinfecting wipes before you enter the elevator. One of my favorite lounges on property here at the Boardwalk is currently closed. I would always come in here, have a drink, hang out, meet friends. A quick fun fact: every resort here at Walt Disney World will have a Chase ATM. Coming out of the main lobby here, we have a really nice patio overlooking the boardwalk. There's not a lot of people here right now. You know, it has really been a dream of mine to always stay here at the boardwalk. So lucky, so blessed to be here. I just want to give a really big thank you to Michelle for sponsoring this hotel stay. She did use her DVC points for me and Bianca to stay here. We are loving every minute of it. It looks like the arcade is not operating because the doors are locked. One of my favorite Disney pools on property here at the boardwalk. Look at the slide. We will be coming down here in a little bit to enjoy the pool. All the pool chairs are spread out 6 feet apart, and we can also see Swan and Dolphin. You can also find a running trail through here at the boardwalk. Next up, we have the gym. And since I am staying here, I am allowed to enter. And here we are. We are inside the gym. They have some really good equipment. Also, for social distancing, they have every other one blocked off for your safety. They do have plenty of hand sanitizer here in the gym. Now, I'm not really sure if you have to wear a mask while working out or not, but I would bring one just in case. I believe you don't have to wear one, but there's nobody in here, so I can't ask anybody. Look how empty the boardwalk is right now. And I believe our hotel room right up here. With Epcot and Hollywood Studios not currently being open, there's no boat transportation, but that will change once those parks open. Over at the Yacht Club, we do have some NBA teams currently staying there. The general store is open on the boardwalk. The one located inside the main lobby is still closed. Look, there's Bianca. Hello. We are right above Big River. How cool is that? Okay, I'll see you soon. Oh, thank you. I caught it. Looks like the carnival games have not reopened. Right now, with the current situation going on, there is not a lot of restaurants open along the boardwalk just yet. Usually, you can rent a Surrey bike and take it around the boardwalk, but you can't do that right now. I have found a Disney Vacation Club member memory wall. Look at Mickey. There's Pooh. I am now passing the attic. I'm not really sure what this is, but I believe it's a private lounge, and it's currently locked. We came downstairs to have a quick drink before bed here at Abracadabra, I went with the Bourbon Mule. All right, guys, and just like that, our 2-day Disney staycation here at the Boardwalk is over and went by really fast. Like I said at the beginning of this video, I have always wanted to stay here at the Boardwalk, and I think what makes the Boardwalk so awesome is the location, because you can walk to Epcot, you can walk to Hollywood Studios, you have all the restaurants along the Boardwalk. It's not too far from Animal Kingdom, not too far from Magic Kingdom. It's in the perfect location. Now let's talk about the hotel room. It was awesome, very comfortable, nice sized room, great location, great view. But I will say the hotel rooms on their own, I believe they do need a little bit of a refurbishment. They are a little outdated, but that's all. Other than that, the hotel is amazing. It is themed so well. I can't wait to stay here again. Hopefully next time I'm here, Epcot Forever will be going on, so we'll be able to watch fireworks from our balcony. How cool would that be? Now, by staying at a Disney resort right now, you do get theme park reservations. So I'm an annual pass holder. I've made my 3. But if I stay at a Disney resort, I'm able to make more, just in case you were wondering. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys are new here, because we do this quite often. Make sure you're following me along on Instagram and check out all my links down below. I love you guys. Please remember, it's nice to be nice. And YouTube, I will see you in the next video. Prince Charming, out.
I ain't feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, with those gonna lift me up this time. You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me, am I reading something different from your eyes?